Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Today we are presenting a new setup video with you, that is how to set up Xiaomi Mi Router 4A. The Xiaomi Mi Router 4A is a budget-friendly dual-band Wi-Fi router designed for stable and high-speed internet connectivity. It features 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, a gigabit Ethernet port, and 4 external antennas for wider coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup video. Firstly, we will unbox the Xiaomi Mi Router 4A box. Inside the Xiaomi Mi Router 4A box, you'll find the router itself with 4 external antennas, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable for wired connections. It also includes a user manual to help with setup. So let's start the setup process. In the first setup step, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into an electrical socket. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN port, blue, to your modem. Turn on the router and wait for the LED indicator to stabilize. Now open your phone or computer's Wi-Fi settings. Find the default Wi-Fi name, Xiaomi_XXXX, and connect, no password required initially. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, etc. Go to 192.168.31.1 or miwifi.com. If it's your first time, the router will guide you through setup. Choose your connection type, DHCP, most common, if your ISP assigns an automatic IP. PPPoE, for fiber broadband, enter the username and password from your ISP. Static IP, manually enter details provided by your ISP. Choose a strong Wi-Fi name and password for security. Enable 5 GHz 2.4 GHz dual band for better performance. Save settings and reboot if prompted. Your Xiaomi Mi Router 4A is now set up and ready to use. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.